Hola clase. Today we will be looking at the verb ser, which is one of the Spanish verbs that means to be. You have your forms here. Yo soy, tú eres, él o ella es, usted es, and your plural forms. Nosotros somos, vosotros sois, ustedes, ellos, ellas son. So the verb ser is used for many, it has many uses in Spanish. We'll be looking at a few of them in this unit and in this module. Origin, where are you from? ID, who are you? Profession, what are you? And characteristics, so what are you like? Nationality, again, where are you from? Nationality could be up here with origin. And telling time and date. We'll look at telling time and date in its own unit right after this as well. But here are some ways of asking these questions. ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? ¿Qué es? What is this? Es un cuaderno. ¿Qué son? What are these? Son libros. We'll do some pre-exercises here and there and some post-exercises over the weekend in a traditional class. And we'll be taking a look at a couple of handouts. This unit is a bit short. We're introducing just the verb ser and some of its uses, and there's not much to see when you're just looking at one verb. So let's go ahead and look at this handout. This is a review of our subject pronouns that we looked at last module. English, Spanish. Spanish, if you remember, usted, which is formal, is in the same grouping as third person because it uses those verb forms. So here it is with the verb ser. Yo soy, tú eres, él and ella es, or usted es, nosotros, nosotras somos, vosotros, vosotras sois. Notice the pronoun has gender, nosotros or nosotras, but verbs do not have gender. Ellos, ellas son, and ustedes son. One thing we should remember from our study of AR, ER, and IR verbs is that the vosotros is used in Spain. So vosotros is the plural of tú. If you were addressing a group of friends in Spain, you would say vosotros sois, you are. But in the US and Latin America, the plural of tú is ustedes. Ustedes son. So here you have, just like on the page in Canvas, some examples of how to ask the question and some examples of how to answer the question. And so study this in addition to the page on Canvas, and we'll take a look at it in class. Let's look at the second exercise. Bien, so here we want to apply the concept of the verb ser. So we want to know quién es. Obviously we don't know them, so we can create the name. ¿Quién es? Es Flor. Es Flor. ¿De dónde es? I'll take a guess and say, es de San Francisco. ¿Qué es? That one's easy. She's holding a camera, aiming it at the viewer. Es fotógrafa. And ¿cómo es? ¿Cómo es uses descriptive adjectives, which we will study in this module, but in a future unit. So there's not many words we know yet in order to do that. We'll probably come back to this handout at that time and practice this last question. But I can tell you how it goes. ¿Cómo es? Es joven, es trabajadora, es simpática, es morena, es baja. ¿Cómo son? We would do the same with them. ¿Cómo es ella? ¿Cómo son ellos? And practice those. ¿Está bien? I'll see you all in class. Hasta luego.